In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate purchase order requests with Jotform. This will help streamline your business processes and save time on administrative tasks. Let's get started. First, head over to jotform.com. At the sign-in page, you have a few options. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the dashboard. Now look at the upper left side of the screen. You'll see the Jotform logo. Click on the drop down menu next to it and choose My Workflow. This option allows you to access any existing workflows you might have and create new ones. Next, click on Create New Workflow. Here is where you'll set up the automation for your purchase orders. After clicking, you'll see an option to use a template. In the search box that appears, type in purchase order and press enter. This will bring up a selection of templates designed specifically for handling purchase orders. Choose the template that best fits your requirements by clicking on Use Template. This template simplifies the process by including essential components like a product order form. It also allows for requests to be approved or denied, and specifies actions based on these outcomes. After selecting the template, you'll notice that at the starting point there's a connected form. You have the flexibility to customize this form to suit your business needs. Whether it's altering fields or modifying instructions, make adjustments that align with your organization's workflow. Moving to the second flow, you'll see the approvers of the action. This step is critical as it determines whether a purchase order request is approved or denied. Ensure that you assign the right personnel to this task within your workflow. Once you've set approvers, click on the purchase order approval template. This section manages the automated notifications. If a request is denied, the system will automatically notify the buyer, informing them of the decision promptly. If the request is approved, there's a bit more to it. The user will be asked to fill out an additional form for reimbursement. This ensures that all financial transactions are documented and processed smoothly. After reimbursements, the next step involves the approval of the COO or the head of the department. This additional layer ensures that high-level management is aware of and supports the purchase orders being processed. Finally, once everything is in place and approvals have been secured, the system will generate an approval report. This report is a great way to keep records of all requests and their outcomes, ensuring transparency and accountability in your purchasing process. And there you have it, you've now automated your purchase order process with Jotform. This simple setup should greatly reduce the time spent on administration and enhance efficiency in your organization. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.